Good morning. As you can tell by my attire, I'm out doing some hunting this morning. It is October 29th, opening day of muzzleloader season here in New Hampshire. A little bit ago, I took a shot at a deer. All I have is my cell phone camera with me, so no footage of that, but I'm about to go and do a little bit of tracking. Now I'm trying to see if you can see my stand about 20 yards behind me. Right there is a tree stand we put up for my dad. We're at a location that only allows archery hunting, and so I've got my crossbow, because in New Hampshire they let you use your crossbow, but use your gun tag if in starting a muzzleloader season. So I'm about to get down and try to start tracking, see how we did. I think it's a doe that I shot at, about 20 to 25 yard shot. I think I got her through the shoulder here, and I'm gonna go start tracking it down. I have not found my bolt. I'm standing right where the location is that I had shot her, so let's go see. Okay, finding some more. Yeah, we're talking drops so far. We're not far up the trail where she had gone, but here we go. Here we go. Okay. So that's good, and it's not good. The good part is there's blood, and it's starting to become, oh yeah, I look up, as the trail goes. That's pretty good. Bad part about, this is there's white hair. Usually means a low shot, but we'll see. So coming down this hill, it's pretty good trail that splatters along. I'm not sure if you can see it all across these leaves, but it's pretty good now. She came down this steep hill I just walked down, and from the tree stand when I was listening, I thought I heard a branch snap, like a deer crashing. They do that usually when they finally fall over dead. Even with a good, well-placed shot, a lot of times deer will run on adrenaline and whatnot. So we'll continue to look. Okay, I have been on the blood trail for a little while, and I was starting to lose hope, and I mean for a little while, for like 10 or 15 minutes. And I look up, and lo and behold, what I heard was right. The deer crashed out. I'm gonna walk over there and see what we got. Okay. This is me working up on this for first, and actually, that was a really well-placed shot. I have not yet found my my bolt, but if it's not in her or underneath her, then it will be someplace along the way. So once again, I find myself finally got the deer cleaned up and down to the road with my hunting car, the old Avalon, who will now haul at least one more deer. I can't even explain how this car has literally had to have carried at least 12 deer from the woods to the check station and then up to my brother's house to butcher. What an animal this damn car is. The brakes are grinding, the power steering's gone, but boy, she just keeps on hauling. For the first time, I get to register my deer in a line, so this is kind of a different experience. Actually, Fish and Game is here too. They're taking samples of people's deer, so this is kind of an interesting opening day kind of stuff here. So we got biologists doing some aging and checking out some samples on the deer. Pretty good. Like non-stop line over here. Everyone's backing up, weighing deer. This one ended up being just over 100 pounds. Perfect.